So, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be playing Battle Cats. I don't know if y'all can hear me, but I just got a new mic, so yeah, I'm gonna be trying out Battle Cats. A lot of y'all have been asking me to add some mics onto my videos. I don't know if I'm gonna post this video or not, but anyways, let's just go. All right. This is all the characters that I can use today. Well, not for just today. Anyways, this is Battle Cats Part 7. I know in all my other ones, I didn't talk. But this is Part 7, which means... Uh-oh. That guy is... I figured out that that Awakened Bahamut does over 1,200 damage. Or, not 1,200, 12,000. Uh-oh, we got a Dachshund. Or however you say his name. Dang, bro. What is going on? Why do they have so much health? Oh, I need Baki. I don't know if I can do it with just these units. Yeah, I'm not doing this. I'm not risking it. Anyways, I'm just gonna go to equip, and I'm putting away Baki Cat. He's trash. I haven't tried out Nerd Cat, so I guess I'll try him out. 3,750. That is a lot. Brainrot Dragon Cat and Brainrot Sexy Legs Cat, Power Saw Cat, and y'all have been telling me to put some meat shields. So let me see. I'm gonna use, how about, I'll just do Macho Cat since that he's overpowered. And I'll also put on Samba Cat because when you mix them together, they're overpowered. Nikaluga, Samba Cat, and Macho Cat mixed together makes the ultimate one. Let me see. I will also add in Swords Cat Kairu. Wait, no. One of my favorite cats. It's from an old update, but it's still really good. If I called my friend, y'all would be able to meet him. Bro, why is he so slow? If he's actually trash, bro, I'm actually about to crash, bro. Why was there just a box that appeared? Oh my goodness, bro. Nerdcat is trash, bro. You learn a new thing every single day. I fell down the earth from a mouth. Oh my god, bro. Oh my. Yes. I'm gonna need him, this, that, whack, chat, bam, boom. Fine, I'll send out Nerdcat. But he's literally so slow. Nerdcat is honestly not too trash, but I don't know. Since that teacher bear does like 1,000,000 damage, literally. Oh my goodness, bro. Anyways, I'm gonna beat this level real quick, guys, and then I'm gonna get off, so. Bro, why are teacher bears so hard, bro? What do you mean my card's been declined? Try it again. Buy me product. Never. Let's see how to. Okay, well that was way too hard.